Good morning, Primary 5. Welcome back to math session. Here with me, as always. And today we're going to continue about word problems, which is in chapter fractions, okay? Now, please open up your workbook, chapter 5 review, which is on page 74. This is number 1. Number 1. Emma had 9 meters of clothes. She used it to make 8 similar pillowcases. So how much cloth did Emma use for each pillowcase? So it's kind of easy. At first, Emma had a 9 meter and she will use it for 8 similar pillowcases. So will be divided by 8. Now for one of this equals how many? What we're going to do, just divide it. 9 meter divided by 8, which is 9 per 8, but make it into the simplest for 1 per 8. So Emma used 1 per 8 meter of cloth for each pillowcase. Kinda easy, yeah? Go to number 2. Oopsie. Suryati finished the job in 3 per 4 hour. Mina finished the same job in 4 per 5 of the time Suryati took. So we know that here in Mina, this is not 4 per 5 hour, but 4 per 5 of the time Suryati took. So how long did Mina take to finish the job? So Suryati 3 per 4 hour, Mina 4 per 5 of Suryati. So how to find Mina? Remember, of in math means multiplication. So 4 per 5 multiplied by 3 per 4. As you can see, 4 and 4 there can be simplified. And then we're going to have 1 times 3 per 5 times 1 equals 3 per 5. So Mina took 3 per 5 hour to finish the job. Go to number 3. I believe that all of you said it's kind of easy. Go to number 3, come on. Number 3. Lisa bought 1 per 4 kilogram of chicken. The chicken cost $4 per kilogram. How much did Lisa pay for the chicken? So 1 kilo equals $4. 1 per 4 equals how many? Just times it by 4. So 13 per 4. Why do we have 13 here? Because every time you have mixed number for multiplication, just change it into fraction. So what we have, 13 per 4 times 4 per 1 equals 13 times 1 per 1. So 13 per 1. Lisa paid $13 for the chicken. Go to number 4. This one you gotta pay attention, okay? Cindy made some fruit punch for her class party. Her friends drank 3 per 4 liter of fruit punch. Cindy then made another 1.5 liter of fruit punch. After that, there was 7 per 8 liter of fruit punch left. How much fruit punch did Cindy make at first? Sounds complicated, right? So we're going to reveal it one by one. So at first, Cindy made some fruit punch, this one. We do not know how much is that, right? Go to the next information. Her friends drank 3 per 4. So her friends drank 3 per 4 liter of fruit punch. And then Cindy made another 1.5 liter. So if you made it another, you're going to cut the box or add the box. So add the box 1.5 liters. After that, there was 7 per 8. So it means that for all of this, 7 per 8. And the question will ask you how much at first. At first, is it from here until here? Of course not, but here until here. Okay? To find here until here, we know that this is 3 per 4. But do you know how much for this one? Do not know, right? For this one, that's why it will be our step 1. So step 1 will be, that's right, subtraction. 7 per 8 minus 1.5 liters. So because you have mixed number, make it into fraction. 7 per 8 will be 31 per 8. 1.5 will be 3 per 2. If you have any question why it can be like that, go to the previous grade, learn it from there, or you may ask me. After that, because the denominator is not same, make it same. So 31 per 8 minus 12 per 8 equals 19 per 8. Easy. After that, we know that this is 19 per 8. And then the step 2 will be this and this. So what is that? 19 per 8 plus 2 3 per 4. Once again, if you have mixed number, make it into fraction. 19 per 8 plus 11 per 4 equals, that's it, 41 per 8. And then make it into the simplest will be 5, 1 per 8 liters. So Cindy made 5 1 per 8 liters at first. Even though it sounds complicated, but whenever you have this kind of word problems, reveal it one by one the information. So that's all for today, Primary 5, and then you're going to have quiz, which is next week, 31 August, the last day of August, Chapter 4 and Chapter 5. It will be only multiplication of fraction and its word problems. Please prepare yourself a blank paper, pencil, eraser, and please notice that your quiz will be during Zoom. So do not be late. That's all for today, Primary 5. Keep on learning, happy learning, and God bless you.